Are you an IT professional or MSP juggling multiple clients, drowning in alerts, and struggling to keep systems running smoothly? It's time to simplify your IT management. So that's where Atera comes in. So Atera is an all-in-one RMM platform designed to help you streamline your IT management, automate tasks, and deliver exceptional service for your clients. So this is actually an automation platform that can help you run your routine tasks, proactively identify and resolve issues, and gain a clear view of your entire IT landscape. Atera empowers you to work smarter, not harder, and deliver exceptional service to your clients. So in this video, we will talk about the Atera's benefits like remote monitoring and management, remote access, help desk and ticketing, network discovery, as well as patch management. So it can actually help you turn your ticket response time and cut it quicker, achieve quicker resolution, and power through more tickets than ever before with AI that acts on your behalf in order to triage them. So first things first, if you're interested, you can head over to their website, which is atera.com, and then you should be able to see this. Head over and click onto the start free trial option, and then just input right here your information. Click on next, and then you can head over and then start your free trial. So I have already done that step, and it actually looks like this. So we have here as well a checklist of what we should do. So let me just expand or disclose that for now. For our devices, we have in here our sample device. So you can click on the disconnect option right here if you want to connect with that device in order to resolve an issue. First things first, we need to install the Terra agent. In order to do this, just select the OS that you will be using this. You can choose in here Windows, Mac, as well as Linux. For this one, let's choose Windows and click on this next. And you can choose in your customer. So you can search in your customer that you want to assign this particular agent into. Now you can also select in here an unassigned option. Now click over to this next option and we have in here you can either download it via the installer, via command line, or you can also share this download link to the user that you want to actually have access to Atera. So for this one, you can click onto this download right here and then click onto this right there and you should be able to see it downloading in there the setup. So what you can do is you can just head over and then install that to the actual device that your user or your employee have. So you can head over and then use that right there. Let's head over and click on done. They can install that themselves. So in here, we can go over right here to our dashboard and you can see in here a lot of things. You can see that you have in here your tickets, your recent alerts, your availability monitoring. Like for example, we have in here the device type and whether they're online or offline. You can here see the server, PC, Mac, as well as other options. We also have customer alerts as well as server alerts. So in here on this server, we have in here the option for hard or disk drive availability and the likes. We have in here customer tickets that will show up as well as critical and overdue tickets. I have in here the ticket activity, product tickets, as well as map overview. So we have in here the SLA statistic, satisfaction rate, as well as the satisfied customer if you have any options right there. So in here on the dashboard, you can see everything in one glance, so you don't need to switch from different tabs in here. Now let's explore their ticketing options. So let's head over right here to the tickets. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here the tickets that you have available. So we have in here a sample ticket, but if you have a ticket that's already been submitted or if you want to create a new ticket, what you can do is you can click onto this new ticket option, then select in here the customer that you want for this one. So if you don't have a customer yet, don't worry because I will teach you as well later on how to do that. We have in here the contact, so you can add in here the contact for that particular customer. So for this one, you can just enter in here their contact information of how you can reach them. as well as a ticket title for this one. Like for example, let's put right here, desktop lagging. So if they have in here this, they can also have in here the description. They can enter the ticket details right here, attach files for that, and as well as ticket creation time. You can also schedule that and the likes. For this one, we have the ticket assignment and type, so you can just input that on a group. If you don't have a group yet, don't worry because you can click on this create group option, and then it should be able to input right here. So let's enter in here the group name. Like for example, if the ticket come from someone from the HR department, you can group them based onto their departments onto the actual employee or client that you're servicing. So you can input right here as well the group members and the like. Click onto this create in order to proceed with this. Now in here, you can choose in here the group and assigning here a technician under that group as well as the type for that. So it can be incident, problem, request, or change. For this one, let's choose problem. And for this one, you can choose in here the contract. It can be definition of you. So you can also choose in here the form templates as well as a priority for this ticket. So let's put it higher priority as well as the impact. So let's choose in here major, and you can also choose in here the product quality as well as the product family. You can choose online backup, mail security, and the likes option. And you can also select in here what you have done for that. Now click onto this create for this ticket. Once it has been created, you can assign a technician to that. You can see in here the priority and you can see in here the activity status. So if this particular ticket has already been created or has already been resolved, you can click onto this activity status, and in here you can just click onto this awaiting customer response option in order to set it as done already. So you can click onto this right here if you want to delete it, set status as well as the other option. So for this one, we also have in here the alerts. So under this alerts, it will show up everything that will actually adjust for this particular alert. So if there's a problem within the system, Atera will automatically detect it and it will automatically report back to you in order for you to resolve that particular alert. So this is quite really good because it can help you save time on detecting those alerts manually yourself. So they also have in here this devices option. So in here, we can actually add until 300 devices. So this is what it looks like for now. So if an actual customer of or if your employer has already installed devices, it will reflect onto this page. Now you can click on the disconnect option right here in order to access their actual desktop, and you should be able to resolve the problem on your own without them doing anything that you told them to. So you can also enable in here the ask option and describe what you want to filter as it actually employs AI for this particular task. Now let's head over right here to our patch management. So it will detect any patch or anything that has actually been options or vulnerable devices, missing OS patches, and the likes. So it will scan all of the devices that actually been linked on your Atera subscription, and it will show up those devices right here if they have some pending or critical patches missing, if they have missing OS patches and the likes, and you can solve them by connecting to them, and you can just go over and then resolve that through this interface right here. So if you want to actually integrate other apps into your Atera, you can also integrate Acronis, Ancient, Bitfinder, Shutdown, and the likes. So you can install remote access apps, security apps, as well as backup apps right here. So you can just install them right here. Just head over and then click on any app. Then from in there, click onto this get started and then migrate this part onto your Atera in order to use them together with this app. So what this will do is it will actually bring all your apps together in one place. So that way you don't need to actually switch from one app to another in order to resolve the problem that you're having within your IT department. So that's all there is for today. And if you're interested to learn more, you can head over to their website, which is atera.com, and then sign up for a free trial. I hope this video actually helped you see a particular software that is best for your IT management. With its remote monitoring, patch management, it can help you lessen your work but still deliver top-notch quality. So if you're ready to transform your IT management with Atera, you can sign up for a free trial now. The link is in the description below. So thank you so much for watching.